Lesson 4.3. Generate statement. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will complete a generate for that builds n bitwise n instances. Write the for header, simulate vector and confirm pass. Generate expands hardware at compile time. Loops become real instances. Genvar is the loop index. Name the block so hierarchy stays readable. Here, each bit length gets its own n2 from the generate loop. I generate for instantiates n2 across width n. Your TODO is the generate for loop header. Fill for I equals 0, I less than n, I equals I plus 1, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we run simulation and verify the behavior in the log. Open simulation and press run. The log prints vector A, B, Y cases, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP scope and add the signals. Surfer shows per bit and across the bus. Yosys should show a bank of AND cells from the generate. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. One generate loop, scalable width without copy-paste. The test bench drives a few vector patterns and checks why. That is generate statement. See you in the next lesson.